Hello traders, what's up and welcome to this video. I hope you all are faring well. In this video, we will be talking about a very simple strategy that all traders and even beginners can use while navigating their trading journey. Alright, so stick to this lesson till the end. Now let's get into it. A lot of traders, especially beginners, get into looking for which strategy to use, navigating through all kind of YouTube videos, going through lessons and all of that. But the truth about strategies is when you get a strategy, back test it, for test it, and then have valid data on the strategy and know how to use it properly. All right. So you're using that strategy based on the fact that you've back tested, you've for tested, and then you have valid data. So now let's test a very simple strategy here, price action, which will be very good for beginners. Now we are going to be doing a top-down analysis. Remember, top-down analysis, you start from the bigger time frames to the smaller time frames. So basically, we'll map out our resistance zones. As you can see, first of all, there was an upward movement, and then you had price breaking the uptrend. Let's say if we have to draw it, basically had an upward movement here and price break the uptrend. All right, so it's really invalid. So we have now to map out our key levels where we're going to map out the key zones, support, resistance. You have a support here, the most obvious levels on your chart that you see. So these are the most obvious levels on my chart, and then I have this current zone here, which is still a resistance level. So you see that this is the daily time frame and we've mapped this out. So we'll move down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, I'm basically seeing a bullish movement. From this level, I'm seeing a bullish movement. So you're analyzing the chart from left to right. Right, this is the right side, which is the current price. So I'm seeing a bullish movement. So what do? Where you see you have a double bottom in this end, and then you start seeing higher highs and higher lows. So basically, I'm going to draw my uptrend. There we go. So that is the uptrend line. As you can see, it's not breaking through candles and not breaking through wicks. So you have your uptrend line there. Now, at this particular level, what do you notice? We're expecting the formation of higher highs, right? Since it's an uptrend, but at some point, price actually gave a deep pullback here instead of giving us a high and a higher high. All right, so that's what we're expecting. So price rather gives us deep pullbacks. All right, so price order gave us a deep pullback here and the formation of equal highs at this zone where we map as a resistance zone. So this entire zone is a resistance. Now giving us an ascending triangle, yeah, something like that, an ascending triangle. And now this is a continuation pattern, but you can trade it also as a breakout pattern. So it's either you're trading the breakout to the downside or the breakout to the upside. Now this is still the 4-hour time frame, and we're already seeing price at the lows. And according to the uptrend, or according to trading trends, we said when prices are the lows of an uptrend, you're looking for entries, and when prices are the highs of a downtrend, you're looking for sell entries. So now basically we'll be looking for buy entries at the lows of this uptrend. Remember, you could also trade it out as a breakout strategy. So I'm going to show you that immediately after this. So now we're looking for entries. Remember, these are, as you can see, the entire zone. This entire zone was a consolidating zone, and then you see rejection candles to show that the demand at this zone or this support zone is very, very strong. You could also wait for further confirmation, all right? But this is just like basic confirmation for you to enter in this trade. Let's say if you want to enter an uptrend, you want to trade the uptrend, you want to trade it as a buy trade. So this is a confirmation for your entry. Now we move to the 30-minute time frame and you see fine price consolidating. You either want to wait for a breakout above or a breakout beneath. But let's say you're going in for a buy because price is at a support zone. So basically you're going to be going in for a buy at this level. You're having like an aggressive entry. So your stop loss is at this support level beneath the trend line. All right, so giving you a stop loss of about 50 pips, and then your take profit is at this level. All right, so that is like 1:2, 1:2.8. So you're risking like 51 pips for 145 pips. All right, now let's look at how to trade this strategy as a breakout strategy. Now this is an uptrend, but you have an ascending triangle. All right, you have this zone, which is a resistance zone, a major resistance zone, where we're expecting the formation of higher highs, but rather we are seeing equal highs and kind of lower highs and something consolidate. The market's consolidating. So maybe you're not too sure of entering your trade at this level. So basically, what are you going to do? You wait for a breakout here, and then you enter when price has retest this level. All right, so you have like all of this zone here. So you'll be having a break and retest from here. All right, so you're going to basically and you enter this trade from this level, or you have the break and retest, whichever level the trade wants to retest. But we are targeting this zone beneath here, where you have a break and then you have a retest. So you're entering this trade from here. If you're trading the contrary, or you're trading the contrary of this trend, where you're expecting that this trend line should be broken, so you're trading the symmetric or ascending triangle breakout. All right, so this is a simple strategy. If you move down to the 15-minute time frame, you see that there's no major difference, because still on the 15-minute time frame, price is at a low. So if you're buying, you basically be buying and investing your stop loss beneath. But if you're selling, you wait for a breakout and retest. When the price has retested this level, this support zone, which is going to become a resistance zone, then you have your sell entry. Simple, right? So it's basically simple price action, support, resistance, trend lines, and zones where you have your entries. So if you master this strategy very well, and then you read the candlestick Bible, where you get to read the rejection candles or the dodges, the engulfing candles, you're going to have good analysis and good entries. No need for complication, no need for major complications. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Stick to this channel as we bring simple concepts that will help you navigate your trading journey. Have a nice day, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel.